Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Courtney Lynn, and in this video I got lots of kitchen cleaning motivation for you guys in this after dark clean with me. Let's jump right into it, but first let's cue our brand new intro. Okay, so before we get started cleaning, I just wanted a little drink that I could enjoy while cleaning, so I decided to make one of these hot cocoa bombs. One of our cousins had given some of these to us for Christmas, and I had never made one, used one, or drank one, and it was very, very good. I am not a huge hot chocolate fan. I don't crave it, but this was very delicious, and now I find myself craving it. Okay, so this video is a little bit more laid back than my other videos. Because it's an after dark clean with me, I know how it is at the end of the day when you just need to get stuff done and you're ready to go to bed and you want it to be nice and relaxing and cozy. So this video is going to be full of that kind of motivation, keeping your kitchen really simple and very cozy feeling. So I'm going to be doing that by starting to light a candle before I start cleaning. That way I can enjoy the smell while I'm putting things away and cleaning up. And I did talk about this candle lighter in last video, but just in case you missed it, this is an electric rechargeable candle lighter. So as you can see here, it just lets off a little tiny spark. I thought this was pretty cool. It was not very expensive and we just bought it on Amazon. Alright, so like I said, there's random stuff everywhere, so I'm just gonna start clearing all the counters first, and then after I get the counters cleared, I'm gonna wipe them down, do some dishes, and then sweep and mop the floor. So my uncle had given us some fresh citrus from the area that we live in, so I'm just going to be putting these in this copper bowl out on the counter so we can use them and not forget about them. Sometimes if the stuff's in the pantry, we can forget about it really easily. And then it ends up going bad and we have to throw it away. So if we keep it out, we'll use it. Okay, and now to start on the dishes. We did have our dishwasher completely full of dishes that were clean, so I'm just going to be putting those away before we begin doing the rest of the dishes. Alright, now I'm getting started on the dishes that are in the sink, and one thing that we like to use here in our house to get our dishes clean, we like to use a dryer sheet, and this seems super weird to use a dryer sheet, but this works like magic. It seriously will get off almost every single thing on dirty dishes. It works just like a charm. It's awesome. Give it a try. Use a dryer sheet next time you're doing dishes and let me know what you think about it. We really have found that it works very well. Unfortunately, with this round of dishes, we had a lot that could not go in the dishwasher, so it took me a little bit longer because I had to do quite a few by hand. And now comes my favorite part of doing dishes, is cleaning that sink out. I don't know why, but it's so satisfying to me. Just to rinse the sink out, scrub it down, and then dry it afterwards. It's so satisfying. And so now I'm moving on, and I'm going to be wiping down the outside of our dishwasher. It just had some fingerprints and smudges on the outside of it, so I'm just doing that real quick. Also, we got this little magnet for your dishwasher, and it says, "Come in, we're clean," or "Sorry, we're dirty." And you can just easily put that on the dishwasher and flip it from side to side, depending on whether the inside is clean or dirty. So now I'm just wiping down the countertops and then all of the appliances that we have out on the countertops, or the microwave and the stovetop, things like that. Just doing a pretty quick job on it. It wasn't too terribly bad, but just making sure that everything is nice and clean for the next day. And I am using 2 different microfiber cloths in this video. The first microfiber cloth I'm using to wipe down all of the countertops, and then I have a second microfiber cloth, the blue one, and that just kind of helps dry it, and it helps the granite to shine really nice. And now all of the dishes that I had to hand wash, I'm just gonna dry and put those all away so that in the morning when I wake up, that's already done. I know that this After Dark Clean With Me video is much of a slower pace compared to my other videos, but I wanted to make it nice and calm and relaxing for you guys as you're doing some After Dark cleaning as well. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. Also, head over to Instagram and follow me there at Courtney's_Lynn. I would love to stay connected with you guys there as well as here on YouTube. Our trash can was getting to the point where it needed a very good scrub down, so I did that real quick just using some of our Lysol spray. So here I'm just using our brand new Musu cordless vacuum that we got. We used to have a Dyson cordless vacuum, and now we have this Musu cordless vacuum, and we really like this vacuum, and it's very reasonably priced and it works great. We don't really have any complaints about it. It is a little bit different compared to the Dyson, just the feel of it and using it and everything, you just have to get used to it, but it works very well and the price was awesome, so you really can't beat that. I am using this little attachment that came with it to get up close to the cabinets to make sure I didn't miss anything from before. And now it's time to mop, so I'm just adding some of this Lysol. It's like pomegranate and cherry smelling Lysol concentrate that we got from Dollar General, and it is probably the best smelling Lysol that I have ever smelled. I literally love this stuff. It smells so good, and I've used this in all of my extreme clean with me videos that I posted before. I have an entire playlist of just extreme cleaning. If you guys need some extreme cleaning motivation, I will link that down below for you guys. I did notice after I had mopped in this section, but this little area behind the trash can needed to be wiped down. There was some grimy stuff on it, so I just did that really fast. Also, one other thing that I had forgotten to do, and I didn't see it until after I finished mopping, was to wipe down this refrigerator, because there was lots of fingerprints and smudges all over this thing. And I have talked about this Wayman's stainless steel polish before, but this stuff is literally the best. It works so good. It's pretty thick when you're trying to work it into the stainless steel, but if you keep working at it, it just leaves it in such a great shape, and it looks really nice and shiny afterwards. Alright guys, so here's the finished results of my after dark kitchen clean with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it motivated you to get some cleaning done, whether it be in your kitchen or anywhere else in your home. If you did get some cleaning done, please be sure to comment down below and let me know everything that you got accomplished. I would love to hear from you. Thanks again so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time.